The data import-export framework also allows you to specify the mapping between the staging table and the target. In most cases, the mapping between the staging and the target should be static, but in case you need to make changes, you can use the view target mapping to change this. Let me quickly show you how this works. We're back in AX in the data import-export framework module. We're going to open the processing group UI from common, select the vendors processing group that we created previously, and click on entities. In the UI that opens, you can select the view target mapping button to open the mapping for staging to target. You'll see that the mapping UI looks very similar to what we saw with the source to staging mapping. The one difference is that with the staging to target, you also have the ability to map a set of columns from the staging table to an X++ function and then map the output of the function to the target. Here, for instance, the generate default dimension is an X++ function which takes the value of the default dimension string from the staging table, runs some X++ code, and then finally it sets the default dimension value on the target. Let me close this form. If you want to run validations on this entity, you can also check the options to run business logic in the insert or update methods, or run the business validations in the validate write method. As you have seen, the data import-export framework provides a number of options, not only when copying data from source to staging, but also when copying data from staging to target. You can use options such as the ability to run business validations, transforming records using the method assignments, and so on. Let's now look at the process of handling errors.